3 billion years ago, Earth and Venus were very similar. New land, new oceans, an atmosphere. Both planets were perfect for life. But on Venus, something went wrong.
Something made Venus diverge radically from the history of the Earth.
Venus took a definite turn to the dark side a long time ago.
Venus is a hellhole, or an evil twin.
Today, Venus's surface is like a furnace.
It's 900 degrees Fahrenheit on the surface, and it's hot enough to melt actually some metals, so you wouldn't stand a chance.
Venus is a greenhouse world. Its atmosphere is thick with carbon dioxide. It traps heat from the sun like a blanket. These actual images of Venus's surface reveal a barren, superheated wasteland. Venus's thick blanket of CO2 killed the planet. The CO2 came from volcanoes. Orbiting space probes gave the first clues. Radar punched through Venus's thick clouds and revealed volcanic formations across the planet. Like formations we also see right here on Earth. The shield volcanoes of Hawaii. Shield volcanoes get their name from their round, flat shape. These volcanoes ooze. But they ooze for thousands of years.
Once we were able to map the entire surface of Venus using cloud-penetrating radar, we started to study the landforms there, and we saw a lot that was actually very familiar. In particular, we saw giant shield volcanoes that are very similar to the shield volcanoes here in Hawaii.
The radar images of Venus were dead ringers for the shield volcanoes on Hawaii. Sometime in the past, Venus had volcanoes.
For the first time, we had a picture of Venus revealed. And boy, were we shocked. We found a scarred surface, a volcanic surface.
There are at least 1,000 volcanoes that are very large, and maybe tens or even hundreds of thousands of smaller ones.
3/4 of Venus's surface is lava plains. Evidence of an ancient cataclysm. This could have been a home for life. Instead, it was engulfed by fire. Volcanoes belched trillions of tons of carbon dioxide into Venus's atmosphere. Temperatures soared. The seas boiled dry. A runaway greenhouse process began.
On Earth, carbon dioxide is able to absorb into the rocks, it's able to absorb into the ocean. But on Venus, you have no water, and it's now so hot that carbon dioxide can't even combine with the rocks. So as carbon dioxide was released into the atmosphere by volcanoes a long time ago, over time there was less and less of a method to take it back out of the atmosphere.